Hello guys, and welcome to my fourth video of the series preparing for the OSCP exam. Today we're gonna solve Bastard machine. Yeah, as you can see, Bastard is a Windows box. The difficulty is 4.9 and it's, in my opinion, it's something similar to Chronos, difficulty wise. Yeah, so let's go. I've saved an nmap output here. So I've ran nmap -a -on nmap.txt and the IP. And as you can see, port 80 is open. And there are also two more ports, but they're not relevant to us. So we're just gonna focus on port 80. I'm gonna put a image of the login page that is on port 80 because Firefox is not working for me in Kali. So yeah, taking a look at Drupal 7, I found something really interesting. A tool, an exploit called Drupal Garen, made by Hans Topo. Shout out to Hans Topo and shout out to Godmilk for having this awesome tool. Yeah, as you can see, it's working on many and more very common versions of Drupal 8.5, 8, 7, 6. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how it works. It's very easy. So you have to download it. I've downloaded it here on Kali. This one, the Drupal.rb. Ruby Drupal.rb. We're gonna specify the host, which is 10.10.10. Yeah, the remote host, which is 10.10.10.9, and if I'm not mistaken, yeah, we have to specify something else as well. Yeah, we have to specify that we want to authenticate. Authentication, like that. All right. So we're gonna specify a name, Bobby as well, and so the login page is on the home folder. So we don't have to specify any path. So we just leave it empty, and there's no required suffix. So we're just gonna leave it empty as well. Yeah, and now we're gonna wait. Alright, so the exploit finished, and as you can see, we have total remote code execution. So we can list the directories, and we can also see what user we are. And the interesting thing about it is that we are anti-authority user. So basically that means that we have root rights, but that's not the case, because if we want to list the directories in users and users administrator, we're not allowed to. So after this, I thought that I should find a privilege escalation. For that, at first I've used some MSF modules, some Metasploit modules, but in my case they weren't working. I think it's because of my usage of a Drupalgeddon tool, But then I found this other this exploit, which is called Chimichurri. I'm gonna put for both Drupalgeddon and Chimichurri links in the description below. And in our case, we need the chimichurri.x. Alright, so how you do that? How you get the chimichurri.x, which as you can see I have it here on my machine. How you get the chimichurri.x, exploit.x in my case, to the remote host. So first we need to do a simple Python -m simple HTTP server, so we can communicate somehow with the machine. and we're gonna say port 80. All right, like that. Shit. Yeah, all right. I'm gonna specify another one because port 80 is already in use. All right, like that. So, and now we need to get it, and how you can get a file on a Windows machine. It's you're using something called certutil.x, and we're gonna say minus URL cage and minus split minus f, and we're gonna specify our link, which is my IP, if I'm not mistaken, is 10.10.14.34, 10.10.13.34, and the port 8000, like that, and exploit.x, and we're gonna save it as exploit.x. Yeah, as, let's say, root.x, because it's sounds dangerous. Yeah, like that. I'm gonna wait a bit. Yeah, my bad. I've put the wrong IP, so it's, yeah, like that, 14.34. Okay, so URL cage command completely successfully. Okay, so we have the root.txt .x, sorry, the root.x locally. Yeah, here it is. All right, so the next step is to have a netcat listener. Let's say NLVP and the port 1337, like that. And we're gonna listen for an incoming request. Alright, so for some reason the connection is barred and I have to execute the root.x again. So we're gonna go root.x, our IP 10.10.14.34, and the port that we're listening to, right? So this is our IP, the OpenVPN IP, and this is our port that we're listening to. Alright, so we're gonna run it like that. I may have to wait now. Yeah, it's working. Alright, so as you can see, we are again anti-authority system, but now we can we can list the we can list the administrator directory. So if we go to cd users administrator, like that, and we have on desktop, on desktop, like that, we have root.txt.txt, like that. So yeah, this was the box. I've really spent so much time on wondering why the MSF modules were not working while using Drupalgeddon to get a reverse shell, but I finally made it using the chimichurri local privilege escalation, which I'll really save it because I'll note it down somewhere because it's really important for the OSCP exam itself. I think I will encounter this kind of privilege escalation more often. So that was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like the video, don't forget to share it, subscribe, and like it. Yeah, see you next time. Bye.